Hey friends, who's hungry? Elevate your weeknight dinner game with crispy, juicy lemon pepper chicken thighs made quickly and easily in the air fryer. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. Add 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs to a large freezer bag. Pour the lemon pepper marinade over the top of the chicken. Shake the bag to coat the chicken thighs with the seasoning. Allow the chicken to marinate in the bag for 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Spray the inside of the air fryer basket with cooking spray. Place the chicken thighs in an even layer in the basket skin side down and bake for 12 minutes. Flip the chicken thighs so that they are now skin side up. Bake for an additional 12 minutes until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the chicken to rest for 10 minutes before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.